Tuesday and happy Indian Independence Day. Hope everyone is having a great start to the week. In today's episode, I had like to discuss some upcoming changes on our platform. We are soon rebranding to ledgerlive.io, previously known as Skull.today. We are thrilled to announce our rebranding, which will all be finalized by the start of October. Our journey will continue with new vigor, fresh perspectives, and the same commitment to delivering insightful reports on finance, blockchain, and the intersections of technology with our daily lives. In today's episode, let's delve into what's making news in Argentina's economy, the emergence of a libertarian leader, and explore the world of Degen Poet on the Solana blockchain. In the heart of Latin America, Argentina's central bank has made a shocking move, raising the benchmark interest rate to an astonishing 118%. The peso has taken a plunge, devaluing to 350 per dollar. These actions come in the wake of a primary election, which is an event that has shaken the nation as it grapples with a severe economic crisis marked by staggering inflation. The victory of ultra-right libertarian Javier Milei adds complexity to Argentina's political landscape. His unorthodox views, such as converting the economy to the dollar and abolishing the central bank, have stirred controversy and triggered government actions to stabilize the markets. Yet, his success symbolizes a nation's discontent and raises questions about Argentina's ability to confront its economic challenges. But there is more to the story. As Argentina waltzes through political turbulence, digital currencies are emerging as key players. With record high inflation and over-reliance on traditional financial structures, many Argentinians are embracing cryptocurrencies. The rise of Bitcoin and other digital assets offers a glimmer of hope amidst economic uncertainty. Centralized exchanges, physical Bitcoin ATMs, and platforms like Strike have facilitated Argentina's dance with digital currencies. But the question lingers, will this digital embrace save the nation or add new complexities to an already intricate situation? Now let's talk NFTs and enter the mesmerizing world of Degen Poet. He is a typewriter artist working with Drip, which is making waves in the non-fungible token scene on the Solana blockchain. His collaboration with Drip symbolizes a creative confluence where art meets innovation. Degen Poet crafts visual marvels, transforming typewriting into digital NFTs. Every Monday, he hauls drops on Drip, offering free art to the public. His works are not just beautiful NFTs. They narrate a story of human spirit and creativity. This week, Degen Poet's 18 drop showcases an intriguing collection. The legendary 8-tensorian animation exhibits his flair for reverting imagery with a blend of typewriter and oil pastels. Based on tensorian #8354, this piece is a portrait of mastery with a supply of 100, featuring a square orientation that hints at completeness and wholeness of vision. The rare piece is Snoopy. It's a collaboration with Solana paint created with a Royal Classic typewriter, intriguingly missing the letter E key. With a supply of 2000, this cool version of Snoopy adds a whimsical twist. Then there is the common drop, We Love Utility, featuring a painting created with a Royal Classic typewriter, including a poem from a Drip founder Vibu, and a plentiful supply of 289,603. It's an accessible expression of creativity that adds another dimension to the collection. With over 25 million minted collectibles, Drip's success crystallizes their position in the digital art landscape. Here, artists like Degen Poet find a stage, a canvas, and a community. Argentina's dance with dollars, debt, and digital currencies paints a vivid picture of a nation caught between tradition and innovation. The rise of cryptocurrencies hints at new possibilities but also raises questions about the future. Meanwhile, artists like Degen Poet reminds us that the creativity and innovation can flourish even from the most unexpected sources. As we continue to explore the vast landscape of finance, politics, and art, one thing remains clear. The future is filled with endless possibilities, and it might just be a click away. So thank you all for joining us today. So don't forget to stay tuned as we journey through the fascinating world of finance, politics, and creativity.